What's up, my Halo Mega Blocks family? Sherkan here, and today in this episode of the ZULU Project, we're going to look at the research lab. Every fire base should have a research lab, and in this one, it's not huge, but I think it's good enough size to actually be considered a research lab. It's made up of Lego dark bluish gray bricks and translucent panels. If you do windows, they have trim around the windows, but to give big window look to it, the translucent panels work really well. And to make them look big, I just stacked two on top of each other. And then on the top, it's one, and then the next one is a 1x6x5 curved panel. So it gives a little bit of a different look at the top to finish it off. You can see my accent piece here is a modified brick that's light bluish gray, and that has horizontal grooves in it to give it a little texture. As we come down below, you can see that there's a printed tile piece that says high voltage on it to the right as a warning. Red light on either side as warning lights. And then these studs here that are on the left, those are there so that I can get the tile piece from the new Call of Duty Night Ops set, I believe. And they have a hand recognition tile. And I will buy that set just for that piece and put it right here, as that's how you would get into the research lab. The doors are just the same pattern as the doors for the fire base, where they are made up of slopes and inverted slopes. And the caution strips at the bottom are both Lego printed caution strips. Now, as you can probably see inside, the floor is a blue translucent floor. So it goes along with the panels that are used as windows. Now, Mega and Halo, neither one of them make this. There's a company that I get this from. I don't know exactly the name of the company that makes this, but I get mine from Bricks and Minifigures, and they're a national chain, and they carry these. They're only $6 a piece, and they're 32 stud by 32 stud. It's thick and very sturdy. So instead of this clear one, I used a blue translucent, and as you can see right here, I still go with the floors the exact same way, where I go plate, brick, plate. So the blue shows through all the way down. And as you can see here, you can tell that there's the bricks going across the middle. And with it being translucent, I can put a light, fix a light up underneath each side, and let that be the light inside the room instead of a light on top. The lights can be from underneath. Hoses are Legos. The gun is one of the guns from a Gun Goose with a blast shield in front of a Marine to do some testing. As we keep going back, I have a couple of desks from the Call of Duty Atlas Trooper sets. And have captured flood spores that they're doing research on. And this panel here comes from the Mega Bloks Terminator set. And the rest of this comes from one of the Lego Marvel sets. So this is the research lab, and this side will be connected to the war room, and the door on the other side will be connected to a skywalk. And that skywalk will then connect to another building. But this is the research lab. So as always, I hope you enjoyed it. And until next time, this is Shere Khan wishing you happy building.